Okay, so first step when you're getting into the system is logging in. Every one of you actually does have an account whether you've signed it or not. I asked all of you to sign in the first time prior to this meeting, and the reason is because until you sign in the first time, I can't give you the right permissions. So everybody that has a Hawaii.gov has an account because it's tied into our 365 account, but nobody can see anything unless I give them the permissions after they signed in the first time, because I can't give them permissions till the very first sign in. And so when you first sign in, I have to, or Tom, it's one of the two of us, manually go in there and set you up as a Highways user. That we have groups by branch, and so we put whoever into the right branch. So if you happen to just want to share something with your branch, then everyone in that group gets it, right? And so once that's in there, then you guys can view whatever there is to view.
Oh, should I read this one?
You want to be?
We have a choice.
Here.
I can get back there.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Letting you. Nice. So to log into this, all you do is put in your email address, and then you see how it says SSO enabled. That means it's a single sign-in. That's your 365 password. So it won't ask you for a password here. It will just, as soon as it says Hawaii.gov, like when you put your email address, it will just say SSO enabled, and then you say sign in. At that point, it will go to the Microsoft site that you all see for G1s, like eSign, that kind of stuff. And it will ask you to sign in there if you haven't already signed in, because you know how you can say, remember that I signed in, and then it will just ignore it and go straight in. So there's not a separate password for the system. I appreciate that. We actually spent quite a bit of time working with ETS to make that happen, because I can't remember any of my passwords, and I have way too many. So at least you're on the same password as your email account, basically. So that was purposeful. And that's why it is like it is. So all of you should be able to sign in with whatever you use for your email, G1s, eSign, whatever, all those kind of things that we're signing in with. If I send the link over email, some of you have gotten this 404 not found. That just usually means you're not logged in right now. And you see that little login down at the bottom there. If you just click that, it will give you the sign-in screen, you put your email address, and then it goes right on in. The reason it does that is a security thing that the company has set up, which is basically we don't want people to know there's actually something there because they might hack it. So they just pretend nothing's there until you're logged in. So if you ever get a link and click it and get that 404, just go ahead and click that little login at the bottom, and you'll be able to. Sorry, James, I'm like right in your way. Let me let me scoot back here a little bit. That should help you to just get onto the platform. So that's step one. Once you get past that,